guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I will be coming at you all with a brand new wig install. I will be installing this 26-inch 180% density Jerry curly wig from Soul Lady. And y'all, the lace is eating, like, look at this. And by the way, this is also a 13x4 and a full 13x4. You get all the parting space, which I was super happy about, so I could do my cute little updo and actually put parts on the side. Like, I was hyped. But we are going to install and style this wig together. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, so the wig I'll be working with today is from Soul Lady. I'm going to link it in the description box, of course. So let's get into this curl pattern. The curl pattern is really pretty. It is a tighter curl. So this is a 26-inch 180% density wig. It does come with an elastic band on the inside, and it is adjustable for my smaller head girlies. They actually put two bands together, so you can actually tighten this a lot more than you can with other wigs. This is very head size inclusive. And also a big deal, probably my favorite part of this wig, is it's a real 13x4, full 13x4 lace front. Like, y'all know we don't get all this parting space too often. And I love it with a nice deep wave wig because you can do like some cute cornrows or something. You can do a lot more. I am super excited. We are going to go ahead and install this wig together, you guys. So I'm going to start off by spraying the lace with a little bit of lace tint to get it a little closer to my skin tone. This is a lot of lace. I am not used to a full 13x4. Look at that, bam. So yeah. I did not mention, but it also does have combs inside of the wig to secure your wig. You can take them out. I take mine out, but here they are. Let's go ahead and pop this wig on real quick. So I did already bleach the knots on this wig and pluck the hairline a little bit. So it's looking pretty cutesy. Like, look at that. Looks good. Looks cutesy. I did a pretty good job. And the curl pattern is kind of eating a little bit. Like, let me make sure I have this wig secured. I am part of the big head girly group, and it does fit on my head. So you don't have to worry about that at all, you guys. So when installing my wigs, I do like to kind of work in sections. So I'm going to cut the lace here at each temple, and those will be my 3 sections. So this is one section, and this makes section 2 and 3. So today I'm just going to be using lace spray to install this wig. And we'll work in 3s, like I said. So we're gonna do 3 layers. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is layer 1. We can just do the whole perimeter of my head. So we'll just do, okay. So this is layer 1, and we're gonna blow dry it. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to layer 2. I'm just kind of spreading out the spray with my finger to make sure it gets all of my, well, all of where I want my hairline to be. And then this will be layer 2. And finally, we're going to move on to the 3rd layer. Now we're gonna place the lace. Before we blow dry, I do place my lace where I want it to be. So, like right here for the middle. And now I'm gonna blow dry. Now it is time to go ahead and cut off this lace so we can see this hair. So I'll start in the middle section, and I'm taking an eyebrow razor to cut off the excess lace. And just like that, it's already looking so cute, but I'm going to go in and add a little baby hair, of course. Like, I don't know. I just feel like baby hair really goes with curly hair. Like, it just really makes curly hair eat, in my opinion. So you definitely don't want your baby hair too thick. Okay, and like it looks so cute already, and I feel like with it being just 26 inches, like a nice slick back look would look so cute. Like look at that. I feel like just having it slick would be cute. No part, just a look. Maybe even flip it over a little bit. You can really play with it with this being a full 13 by 6, and it's looking cute. Let me add a little water to this to really make these curls pop, and I like to stretch my curls a little bit. Why did I just realize also a cute little updo like that would really eat the girlies up. Since this is a full 13 by 4 frontal, I can actually do a cute updo like this. I feel like this is really cute with this hair being 26 inches. It looks like it could be mine, maybe. But I think I just want to wet the hair and then we'll see what happens. I do think I still want to do a cute little slick back though. Look at those curls coming to life. Yeah, I'm gonna do my half up, half down because I haven't done that in so long with curly hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a little updo. Right here is where we're gonna part this hair. So bam, look at that beautiful part. You can tell I am not used to having a full 13 by 4. And we'll do another one on this side, of course. Bam. Like, look at that, looks so pretty. And this lace actually looks really good. The lace looks fire. Okay. Let me find a little hair thing. I have some rubber bands here, but I don't think that'll work. Here, we might have to use a scrunchie, a cute gold scrunchie. Look at that, looks cute, I love it. It's cute. It's giving Nikki. It's giving Nikki. Let's add a little water over here. Wow, it looks so cute. Like, look at me. I love it, actually. I really do. Okay. I know I usually don't wear like tighter curls, but doing like a cute little updo like this, like it looks very 90s almost. Like, I like it. Okay, like look at that. And the baby hair just eats. It looks cute. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, I like this. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.